button right here, right?
It's alright, so what I'm going to do,
My first time doing it.
go ahead and
Okay.
get comfortable. Is the steering wheel right where you like it?
Okay.
So if you need to adjust the steering wheel, you have the knob right
Put
on
me
the
in.
side.
Okay. Okay, how about, I like this. Yeah, I like that.
And if you need it to come out towards you as well, you can pull it towards you.
Right here, pull it to me. Okay, wow, Jesus. This is nice.
Alright, so a couple of things.
Uh-huh,
What I'm going to do, because you're going to be the primary driver,
uh-huh.
I'm going to go ahead and set your seat adjustment right here for you.
Okay.
Set number 1.
Okay.
So this allows you to program your seat. So it does the seat, the steering wheel, and both outer mirrors. So outer mirrors, that adjustment will be right here.
Uh-huh.
You have left and right adjustment right here, and a directional pad to adjust the direction that you want to adjust your mirrors. So right now it's set to L,
Uh-huh.
and you push R for the right side. So you would adjust the mirrors right here.
Oh.
So mirror adjustment, seat
So
adjustment.
if I want to adjust this, I press the right,
Yep.
and then I do this.
The direction, yes.
Okay, I don't go and then do it by hand like I normally do.
You don't want to do that.
Okay, I got you. But right now it's adjusted just right, right? So I don't have to do it.
Yeah,
Okay,
because
good.
the only thing is we won't be able to adjust it in here because there's no cars behind us.
Okay.
But once you get a chance, go ahead and adjust it to your liking. Just
Okay.
make sure you hit set and then number 1 again to save the seat.
The seat that I
position.
want. Okay. As far as steering wheel, just do it as I go, right? What is
Yeah.
well, how to do it again? Oh, right here. Oh, it's come up or down. This is about the regular one right there. I'll just leave it up a little bit, and then below a little bit, like about this much. Yeah, that's good.
And again, every time you adjust it,
Mhm.
if it's how you like it, just hit set number 1.
You want the steering wheel too?
Even the steering wheel.
It's memory.
Oh, nice.
So if someone does come in the future and messes with your seat position
Uh-huh.
to where you don't like it,
I just press number 1.
just push number 1 and it should go
Yay!
back.
It's only number 1, number 2. That's it.
Number 1, number 2. That's for him, number 2.
Yeah.
Now,
Okay, I like it. Yeah.
so headlights are
You should
set
be a
to
car
automatic,
salesman.
So it'll automatically come on at
Oh,
night, turn off
okay.
during the day.
But does it if I wanna turn it on, I'm able to turn it on too.
That's it.
But it just won't affect anything, right?
It won't do anything because right now it's turned on. So I'm turning it on, which is right here,
Uh huh.
but it's already on auto, so it's already going to come on for you.
Okay.
So if you wanted to turn it off, you can just pull it down and it turns it off.
Oh, okay.
But I usually just recommend leaving it on auto.
On auto. Okay, good. Okay.
Now wipers, the position, I have it already set to auto. So
Okay.
it was just one click down from off. So this right here is off.
Uh huh.
So we're off right now.
Mhm.
This position that the whole thing is off. So one time is auto,
Uh huh.
and for the sensitivity for the auto
Uh huh.
is the little lines right here. So it says auto right there and then the little lines.
Uh-huh.
This is set to the highest sensitivity right now, but if you adjust it, it's the sensitivity for the auto feature.
Okay.
Now these right here, off, intermittent, and on, is for the rear wiper. You just twist the end and it turns on the one in the back.
Okay. Well, if it's raining, what do I do? It just come by itself?
It'll come on by itself, yes.
So
If you
leave
want
it
it to go
alone.
faster, you just push it up one.
One
right
click. Okay. Otherwise, just put it on auto right here.
Yes.
Gotcha. What is the lower line right here?
Lower sensitivity.
That mean it doesn't sense it
It
that
won't
much.
sense it as quickly, no. It'll-
Got you. Okay.
I'll just leave it there for now.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good.
Now, a
good.
lot of these buttons have to do with certain features. Like a lot of your radio will be right here,
Okay.
answering and ending phone call,
Okay.
and voice command to say call in the person's name, or tune the radio to 99.1. Now these right here control this display right here. So the back arrow, you can see the arrow button right there. You can get rid of a notification, and right here you can use the up and down arrow buttons to see different things. So you have your range, which is 406 miles to your empty, and you have a digital version of your analog miles per hour. So if you prefer seeing the digital, that's perfectly fine. You just use the up and down arrows right here
Okay.
to see the different things that you have available, and this is all the information. If you need to go to the next page, you use left and right arrows, and it goes from I to the little car.
Okay.
Now this page shows you the direction the steering wheel is facing. So if I turn the steering wheel, you can see that the wheels are facing another
Already turned,
direction. Yeah.
Ooh.
So if I keep going,
Ooh.
it'll keep turning.
Okay.
So if I bring it back,
Okay.
it puts it back.
Okay.
One more down, is tire pressure.
Okay.
Now these will never be perfect. They always one or 2 psi off.
Okay.
The one that was at 55 is the spare. No one usually looks at it.
Okay.
So the reason why that one's at 55 because that's the tire that usually gets neglected every time it comes to a dealership. No one pays attention to the spare tire. At least you have air in the tire. If it was at lower psi, then the tire light will come on, and then that'll be a problem. They'll have to air it up. But air is usually free at the dealership, so that's usually a good thing. So if you have a problem with the tire, just go ahead and bring it into the dealership.
Okay.
They'll go ahead and fill it up for you.
Okay.
Now,
Well, I have membership at Costco too, right?
yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
As long as you do the daily maintenance.
So
for
which
it.
one right here you price for the air mixed with?
Oh, I just use their left and right.
Okay, left and right.
Yeah, because left and right takes us to that kind of stuff, and it gives you a little bit more information as well that you can see. But a lot of this right here, I don't recommend messing with because these are all the safety items that you can turn on and off. The safety items are already turned on for you. I don't usually recommend turning
leave
them
them
off.
alone.
But right here, you can use the up and down arrow. But for the meantime, I'm going to leave it in the digital miles per hour for you. Just because I noticed that you kind of like that one a little bit more.
Yeah.
But this side right here, these button, lane keeping assist.
Okay.
So if you go over the next lane, the steering wheel will vibrate and nudge you back.
Okay.
And this one is for the radar for the cruise control. So cruise control is right down here.
Okay.
So this right here.
I use a lot of that thing, yeah.
So it's the same like a lot of other cars. You turn it on,
Well.
and you can set the speed to your desired speed. All this button does right here is keep the distance between you and the car in front.
Oh, okay.
So when the car is set to a specific distance, let's say for example you're driving 65 miles an hour, you want to set your speed, so you set the speed using this right here.
Okay.
And then you can adjust the distance between you and the car in front before the car starts to brake.
How do you see it?
So when I push it to turn it on temporarily,
Okay.
right now cruise control is turned on, we're driving 70 miles an hour.
Okay.
You can push this, and it's 3 bars, 2 bars, 1 bar.
1 bar is one car?
Oh, equivalent. Yeah, it's rough estimate. 3 car lengths, 2 car lengths, 1 car length, rough estimate, but it's properly long, medium, and short.
So, okay, so the 3 long.
Yeah, 3 is long.
Okay,
It's just a rough estimate just because the vehicles in front will never be the...
I prefer you 3.
Yeah. It'll slow you down and keep the distance.
So three from 3 cars.
Almost about.
Yeah. Plenty of room. Yeah.
Plenty of room.
So
It's almost from like here to like
to that car.
where the other... that's like 2.
Oh, that's to keep distance.
That's like 2. Yeah.
Okay.
3 is like where the car is facing this way over there in the back.
Yeah, for 70 miles, you make it 3.
Yeah. So it's a good distance.
Okay.
But we just want normal. So.
Yeah, no. So right here, no cruise control at the moment because we're not going to be using that in Houston.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Before.
So, a couple of things. Programming the cell phone. I just don't want to overwhelm you at the moment with the technology because there's quite a little bit to go to. But very easy. You have all these buttons right here. So these and the ones on the opposite side.
All
The,
right.
I want you to push is setup,
Set up right here.
and you're gonna push general, and you're gonna push where it says auto screen change.
Auto screen change. Where's that? A little bit more down, right?
What is let's see.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Go ahead, click.
I see it.
And push off.
Oh.
There you go. And the reason why is because I don't want the screen randomly changing for you.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna have you do, the telephone that's over there, you see the telephone button over there?
Yes.
Go ahead and push that button over there.
The one with the
No,
red
all of it. The button.
Where? Oh, right here.
Yes. We're gonna go ahead and program your cell phone to the car.
Okay.
Go ahead and select yes. And go ahead and grab your cell phone.
My cell phone.
Take Bluetooth on it? Bluetooth?
And what I want you to do is you're gonna go ahead and open. You're gonna go ahead and go to settings.
Okay.
And you're gonna click on Bluetooth.
Okay.
And under other devices, it's gonna pop up as Lexus GX. Give that a quick second.
Okay.
And just making sure no one's in that one.
Okay, there it is.
Go ahead and click on that one. Go ahead and hit allow. And then on the screen, it's gonna tell you that it's been paired successfully. Go ahead and hit OK.
Okay.
And that's it.
Alright.
All of your contacts are gonna sync very shortly. Any changes you make on your phone will automatically update when you restart the car.
Okay. I don't do much.
It's okay, you don't have to do much. All you do is answer.
I just drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Answer and phone calls, that's it.
That's better.
for climate, for the AC,
Uh-huh.
I do want to point out there are very limited options right here. So you have a lot of up and down,
Okay.
cool, and the red